Okay, so on Rate My Gadget today, I'm going to show you how you can collect lots of MS Reward points on your phone. So first things first, go to the MS Rewards area, make sure you're logged in. The link I'll show you is at the bottom, and then every day you'll get what's called the daily set of points. So it's basically you clicking on these to pick up the points. Now, ensure you've got cookies on, but every time you click on it, go forward, go back until you see a green tick. So there you go, 10 points. And then the daily poll, doesn't really matter what you choose. You then click on one of these, you'll get 10 points. So straight away, there you go, there's kind of 30 points. Okay. Now, if you get one that's called this and that, there is a chance that if you get the questions wrong, then actually you'll lose points. So the thing to do is, again, links at the bottom, go to the Microsoft rewards area on Reddit. There's a sticky 3, living sticky 3 area, which is always up there. And usually if you scroll down there, it gives you all hints and tips and how to quickly collect reward points. Really good area to go to. But you're looking for the this or that quiz, so you've got the answers available to you. If you can't find it there, then like it isn't here, come out of that and then go to the rewards area, and here we go. This is the this or that for the UK. So which of these songs were written by Dolly Parton? And it ensures that when you go into the quiz itself, you know the answers. So now this is a really easy way of picking up 50 points. So just make sure you have the answers on one screen or on one tab, and you've got the quiz on another tab. And as you go through, as you see, I've cut a lot of this out, you very quickly get 50 points. Okay, that's the first thing. Now scroll down and you'll see that there's a box. Usually it looks like an advert. See if there's anything in there as an easy, quick win. So this one, refresh your memory. That was just a click on a few windows. Most of them, they're trying to make you buy something. And underneath that, you'll also see what's called more activities. Again, much of the same. Click on it, click backwards, and you'll pick up these points. So already within 2 minutes, we've probably picked up easily nearing on 100 points. Okay, 100 Microsoft reward points. Now, just for completeness, you may get something called the light speed quiz. Now, this is slightly different from the quiz I explained earlier. You can get questions wrong here. You'll always get a maximum of 30 points, but as you can see, I'm getting questions wrong, but it doesn't matter. It will still, regardless, eventually give me, for the 3 questions, 10 points each. So, this is, the final question, what's a vegetable grown in space? Potato. I've got the full 30 points. So if it's a light speed quiz, you don't have to worry about knowing the answers like before. Then you can also click the middle button, which is searching through Bing. Now, you don't need to do lots of searches. What I do, type in something like car and just keep clicking on searches. So keep clicking back on the search, keep clicking off of it, and you'll slowly see how all of a sudden I'm getting, high 40s out of 60 Microsoft points. Okay, so the other 2 areas on the next area is the Xbox and the Xbox Game Pass app. Now, you will need Game Pass if you want to pick up some of these points. But if you download both these apps, then through them, again, you can pick up the rewards. This is away from Chrome now or from your internet search. So if we click on the Xbox, you'll see that it immediately gives you rewards. And bottom right, if you click on your icon, you'll see that there's 4 things. Using the app, that gives you 4, gets you some points, but the big one is playing Fortnite. Now come out of that, go to Chrome, and you can cloud play Fortnite. I'll send you the link. Now, unfortunately, apologies for the image, but this will pick you up alone 250 points. Okay, and you don't need to play Fortnite to a high level. So you don't need to worry about, completing levels, just playing it. So load Fortnite up, hit play, bottom right. You can do this all on your touchscreen. You don't need to connect to your controller or anything. Then eventually it will load you in and it will put you into a game with a countdown. Then you'd click top right and then bottom left and return to lobby. Yes. So it's recorded on your internet browser that you've played Fortnite. Top left, hit the Xbox and then quit game, and that is it. Then if you go back to the app, that play Fortnite with cloud gaming, which is 100 points. If you also have social connections on there, or the fact that you subscribe, then you'll get more points. The other one, which is slightly smaller amount of points, is what's called Dual. It's the Microsoft. You don't need Xbox Game Pass or anything like that for this. So if you click on Dual, easiest way is once it opens up is to hit New Game. The idea of the game is to match three, duels. It's like typical of one of these kind of very quick flick play games. You just want to get through it. I mean, you can play it if you like, and you can try and rack up your score, but it doesn't matter. So just hit new game because the first level is really easy, and they basically you can't fail. So just keep, matching 3 or 4, or if you can 5 colors. Then it will just get to the point of saying, right, clear 20 in this case joules. As you go through the levels, it does get harder. Okay, once you've done this, so once you clear the level and you go to level 2, hit the next level button, you'll immediately see on your phone at the top, it will come up and say, congratulations, you've picked up points, click on me. Okay, then go back, and then it will send you back to the app, pick up your 5 points, great. And actually, if we go to down, you can see the Fortnite ones come up. And what's great is, like I said earlier, you get points for having a social account linked, 7 friends, and subscribing to Game Pass. So minimum you get is 100 points, but you do get 250.